So how's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today, just like yesterday, the market was pretty choppy again. I think the market's kind of waiting for the CPI report tomorrow before it makes a big move. After the first half an hour to 45 minutes, there was not much movement at all. I actually caught the biggest move of the day on ES, but my profit target was not hit, so then the market came back down and stopped me out. So I really barely made anything today. And again, I'm trading the Apex 25K account evaluation, so this is not yet real money, but it is my goal to earn a funded account this year. So just to make myself clear, this is not real money. But I got the trade recorded live so you guys can see it. And like always, I will break the trade down towards the end of the video, so enjoy the live trading. It looks like we're holding demand on ES. I kind of want to start a long position here. It might be worth it. I'm going to go for it with just 2 contracts. If we break low a day, I will be stopped out for a small loss.
Order filled.
Okay, getting filled on one of our contracts. Let's look for a take profit on our second one.
Order submitted.
Well, the market's pulling back on us, so we'll see if this becomes a higher low, or maybe we'll just get stopped out.
Order filled.
And we're stopped out on that last contract. I don't know, man. My runners just haven't been working. So now to break down this trade. Now, first of all, just look at this chop. This is the SPY. There's really not much movement at all today. You see, we had that move this morning, and I really thought we were going to get some more trend to the upside, but it just came back down and really chopped me out. So let's go to the ES chart, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to the 1 hour time frame to kind of show you the level I was watching. So pre-market, I had this level marked out. It's 41.35. Now that held last week, and last Wednesday we had some key touches there. And actually on Friday ended up being a trend up day, and for about 2 hours or so, ES consolidated right around this 41.35, and then it bounced off of it and continued higher. So I thought 41.35 was going to be a key level to keep on watch. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the 1 minute time frame to show you where I entered this trade and what my confirmations were. So yeah, right off the open, the market just kind of went straight down for a few minutes, but I was not short biased just because we were below 41.35. As long as we were above the bottom of the zone, I was still bullish, because if I zoom out again, you can see how many times the bottom of the zone, which was about 41.30. You can see how many times the market bounced off there. There's a wick here, wick here, wick here, and another one here. So I thought if we get a test of the bottom of the zone, maybe we would get a bounce off of it, and sure enough, that's pretty much exactly what happened. So I got kind of a late entry, but I think it was still all right. I waited for this candle to close, and it closed as a very nice bullish engulfing candle. This is becoming one of my favorite setups. I like to see a move down into demand and then a bullish engulfing candle. That's usually a good sign of a reversal in the market. So when the next candle opened, I went long here. Now, one mistake I made with this trade, I wouldn't really call it a mistake, but I did undersize. I only took 2 micro contracts when typically I like to take 4 or 5 on a really good setup, because I think it was kind of an aggressive entry, and I was thinking maybe I would get a chance to add. So I only took 2 contracts, which kind of cost me a little bit, but it still worked out. So yeah, I had my stop right around the 41.30 level, and I held through this double bottom. We got a nice move up to VWAP, rejected VWAP a little bit, and then we blasted right through it, and I thought it was off to the races. Now I wanted my first scale out to be around these highs here, which happened to be around 41.40, and after a few minutes, the market did push up into that price point, so I got filled on my first contract right around here. Then ultimately, I wanted my profit target on my last contract to be up around the 41.50 level, I think I put it right around 41.49 because this is kind of an area of confluence. There's some key touches around here from the prior day. Yeah, there was a little double bottom here, a break and retest here. So I thought around 41.49 would be a good place to exit. And then I moved my stop up to around, it was right around 41.33. It was right below this low, this higher low here. And yeah, unfortunately, we just did not have the strength to keep pushing upwards. So the market pulled back in. And unfortunately, it stopped me out pretty much to an exact T, and then it continued to go higher. So maybe I should have left my stop at the low of day. It was pretty much a chop fest after this, so I probably would have closed the trade like just manually. So yeah, it was not a very exciting P&L day at all. You can see I'm only up 20 bucks on the day. And up here, I think I was up around $60. So I could have taken my profits, but I wanted to stick to my plan, and I didn't want to just sell out of fear that I was going to pull back in. So did I get greedy? I don't know. I don't think it was greed because I was sticking to my plan and I wanted to wait for my final profit target to get hit. So it is what it is. The market just did not have the strength today. But I'm still happy to be green on the day, and I'm still happy to be green on the overall account. Because yeah, now the account's at 25,335. So we are doing much better than my last attempt at this challenge. So it might take a while, but I think if I keep trading the way I'm trading and I keep sticking to my plan, I think I will be able to pass it. It just might take a little bit more time, which is okay. Because I really don't want to rush the process, and I just have to remember that great things really do take time. So that is all I got for you guys today. I really hope you are enjoying these futures trading videos, and I'm sorry that this one wasn't too exciting, but you know, when the market is not hot, it's pretty difficult to make good profits and find good setups. But it's only Tuesday of this week, so we still got 3 more days to find a good trade. So I'm confident that I'll get at least one more video out this week, and hopefully it'll be better than this one. And if you have any advice for me as a trader, I would love to hear in the comments below, because I always want to keep learning more and just improve every single week. And I really do appreciate the support on the channel the last month or so, because it keeps me motivated to keep making this type of content. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.